Hey folks, Rob Appell here from Stitchin Heaven, your block of the month headquarters, and I want to tell you all about the Little Red Barn block of the month. This one has been designed by the Quilt Company. It's a 7-month block of the month program, and your quilt top will finish out 72 inches by 62 inches. Now this is going to be super fun for all kinds of quilters because it features traditional patchwork piecing. We've got some wonderful laser cut appliques. We've got embellishments of buttons and flosses and more, and it's going to be super, super fun. Now, there's a couple things I want to point out before I dive into your welcome letter. I want to spend a little time just kind of walking you all through what you're going to be looking at when it comes to month number 1. So month number 1, now you're going to have 4 different barns you're working on in this block of the month. Month number 1, you're going to do this cute little one with all these animals stacked there in the doorway. But as I go through and start pointing out, there's a couple of different things I want to share with you. You have the laser cut applique pieces. Some of these, like the black, this is the stem here for the flower out front, the corn stalk, or the ridge line on the barn. These pieces have already been pre-cut out for you. You're also going to have some of the leaves and the petals from the corn stalk. Those are been cut, but they're connected still to the pieces of fusible web, so they're easier for you to find and manage. So you'll need to pop those out or use a little bit of scissors. Your background fabric is going to be your polka dot, your barn fabric here, and then the rest of the build out for the patchwork that builds into the framework of your barn so that you can lay your appliques down. One more super cool thing to point out here. This is custom printed fabric for you all. And if you haven't used this before, when you take it out of the package, you're going to notice there's a real shiny clear coating, and we have a set of instructions that come with it. But folks, this is actually the fabric. You're going to color fast set it by following your instructions, and it'll be ready to work with. So this is really fun and really unique to this particular pattern and block of the month from Little Red Barn and us here at Stitchin Heaven. We know you're going to love it. Dive in, and if you have any questions, of course, you can email us or reach out to us at customer service, and all of that information is right here in your welcome letter, as well as one of my favorites. Here is your link to the Facebook group. Folks, we have an incredible Facebook group where we share our photographs, our progress, our successes as we quilt together in this wonderful community. So please make sure you join that. If you need, we've got a fabric key here for you. That fabric key will give you a digital version in case your supplies ever go missing if your sewing room is like mine. Of course, I want you to sign up to the newsletter. That's done at stitchinheaven.com. And if you ever need to update your billing info, of course, we've got a little bit of the fine print there for you. Beautiful full color photo, and we know you're going to love this. Folks, I love applique, love making the quilts, and I'm really excited to get to share this with you, especially with these custom fabric designs. I know you're going to love it. Thanks for signing up. Oh, and by the way, if this particular Little Red Barn applique isn't perfect for you, we've got a bunch of other fantastic block of the month. So again, I'll just invite you over to stitchinheaven.com, check them out, and we'll see you real soon.